morning here from Hotel Inca in Chavin. Been staying here yesterday just having a rest. We're all pretty exhausted, well I was, and well all of us were, after the first week biking here in Peru. So we just stayed here, didn't do much really, just having a rest. We tried to go up and see the archaeological ruins up in there, so about 500 meters from here. We went up there, had a look. They were too tired, so we just came back. But we managed to make a plan what we're doing, so we've organised a taxi's going to pick us up from here at 11 AM and take us to a town called Conococha, and from there we're going to pick up the Peru Divide. So the Peru Divide, it's another bike touring route through Peru that will take us south. Not sure how far we're going to get on that, but we've got about a week cycling on the Peru Divide before we have to make it south down to Lima. So we just have our breakfast now. Here we've been staying. The bikes have been, it's quite a nice hotel here. Didn't have too much luck with the first one, but this one worked out okay. We can park the bikes down there, and we have the room at the end. And got our friend here, the talking parrot. And yeah, have our breakfast in here shortly, and she's washed all our clothes. So we're ready to go once again. First with a taxi ride today. Another nice sunny day here in Chavin. This is where we've been staying here, Hotel Inca. It's worked out okay. Everything works here. We did try the hotel over there first, but the show didn't work. This is the minibus that's going to take us to Conococha. Bikes are in. I think James is in there. Just about fit everything in. And nothing on the roof. Okay, let's go. We're on the road to Conococha. Okay back there?
Yes.
It's going to save us about 3 days biking, so we can spend more time on the Peru Divide instead of biking here on the road. Climbing here, we have to go over a pass of 4,000 meters. It's not only us that are struggling, even the car here is struggling to get up these hills. This is a not so steep, nice climb at the moment. Kids are fixing the road here. And get some money between that. At the top, you can see Cristo Blanco, the statue there. We're going to go through the tunnel there. Just up there next to the statue, Cristo Blanco, the white Christ it must be. And a little minibus here, a nice driver. And then we're going up to the tunnel there. $4,516, Jamie said from the back. You can see the Conococha lake here, just about. So, we live in Conococha, taxi driver. Gonna get some lunch. Our bikes are now here. All our bags are here. Just got to put the bags back on, put the bikes back together, and we'll hit the road. Wherever.
I think it's cold here.
Yeah, it's cold.
I haven't been used to that. It's strange.
Yeah, up at.
We only moved 120 kilometers.
Yeah. Okay, that didn't actually take long. Put the pedals back on, straighten out the handlebars, bags on the bikes, and we're ready to roll. In Conococha. First thing we notice up here, it's much colder than where we just came from. And, we're now on the high altiplane here, with 4,000 meters at the moment here. It's much more windy, the wind's cold here, so it'll be interesting to see how it goes up here the next few days. So we're just going to find something to eat, I think, and then may set off and just find a place to put the tent up this evening somewhere. That's the basic plan so far. Truck driver giving Jamie some fruit there. Oh. Bikes are rolling again. This time in a new part of Peru, something new to discover. Now we leave the nice tarmac road behind, back to gravel roads. This is the Peru Divide we're cycling on now. This is what we came for. So let's see how that goes. This is the spot for the wild camp today. This is a pretty amazing view we got from this spot here. We're now high up on the high plains here, and this is a really nice spot. Jamie's really enjoying himself. He's trying to find some stones and make a little fire later. So yeah, what a nice place.
Look like stones in Scotland.
Yeah.
They have these
Standing stones.
standing stones to show about the sun, and and the Inca and the Peru olden days, they also believed in the sun. So it's actually strange that these big high things are here. Yeah, and there are loads of them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 stones here. They could be like.
Be a standing stones here, yeah.
Somebody have already beginning to dig out. But I think maybe that's maybe there is something underneath here.
Light up here on the plains, just amazing. 10 minutes to 6 now, and the sun is just about to go down behind the mountain. Jamie's fascinated by these rocks here, showing Meda now around everything he's discovered. And just look at the light here now. So that's nearly the end of a great day here. It's great to be back on the bikes and also feeling a bit more refreshed. We were completely worn out after last week's riding there in the high mountains of the Cristo Blanco. But now we're feeling much better again, had a few days rest now. We're ready to get on the road again. So in a few minutes we'll get the cooker out just before it goes dark, and that'll be it for today in the tent, and then we'll be ready to go in the morning. So okay, we'll see you for our first day on the Peru Divide tomorrow.